Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the GY521 module. This module is built on the MPU 6050 chip. This chip contains a 3-axis accelerometer, a gyroscope, and even a temperature sensor. As you can see, it has many pins, but we will only use 4: VCC, GND, SCL, SDA. Connect VCC to 5 volts, GND to GND, SCL to the 5th analog pin of the Arduino, and SDA to the 4th. Now that everything is connected, let's dive into the code and see how it works. First, we connect the wire library for I2C communication and set the MPU 6050 module address to 0x68. In the setup function, we initialize the I2C bus and serial port. Then we wake up the MPU 6050 by writing 0 to the PWR MGMT1 register and output the headers for the data. In the loop function, we continuously read 14 bytes of data from the MPU 6050, starting with register 03B. We combine the most significant and least significant bytes to obtain 16-bit values for each parameter. Next, all these values are output to the serial port, separated by tabs. The temperature is converted to degrees. For data stability, we add a 100 millisecond delay at the end of the cycle. After uploading the firmware to the Arduino, we can see the data in the serial port. For the curious, I'll explain what the other pins on the module are for, as I haven't seen anyone talk about it. XDA, auxiliary serial data, and XCL, auxiliary serial clock. These pins form an auxiliary I2C interface. The MPU 6050 has a built-in digital motion processor, or DMP, that can collect data not only from its internal accelerometer and gyroscope, but also from external I2C sensors, such as a magnetometer. A D0, address select. This pin allows you to change the I2C address of the MPU 6050 module. By default, if AD0 is not connected or connected to GND, the module's address will be 0x68. If you connect AD0 to VCC, the address will change to 0x69. ENT. This is the interrupt pin. The MPU 6050 can generate an electrical signal on this pin to notify the microcontroller about certain events. For example, it can trigger when new measurement data is available or when significant motion is detected. Using interrupts allows the microcontroller not to constantly poll the sensor for new data, but to react only when the MPU 6050 itself reports it. Thus, although you only need 4 main pins to get started, the other contacts provide opportunities for expanding and optimizing your project. I hope you learned something new today. See you in the next video.